Hey spooks! So to start off with, I just put foundation all over my face, I concealed under my eyes, my eyelids, I did my eyebrows, and I basically just did normal beauty makeup on one half of my face, and then I left the other half bare. I then created this illusion using a white eyeshadow stick, and then I went in between the lines with a grey eyeshadow, and then also with a black eye pencil I drew a line down the other side, and that's how you create this illusion. I also shaded that with some eyeshadow. I then went into this gold liquid highlighter and I painted that all along one side of my face, and I went into these gorgeous bronzy goldy eyeshadows and I just started to kind of shade out a skull shape on that side, and I used black and white to make the definition. I added a black lipstick and then I just drew on these really simple black lines coming through the lips to make it look like a skull. Okay guys, so this was done using all Kiko Milano products. This is my Halloween collaboration with them, and I'll leave a list of all the products down below in the description, and you can head over to their Instagram and check out this as well. Goodbye!